What's going on, beautiful people? It's your boy Terrence Gibson back with another awesome IPC video. IPC is kicking butt, taking names. Haven't did a video in a few days, but hey, we still here. We're still growing. We're still doing great things. Been working on my other multiple streams of income. I still even have stuff I haven't promoted yet. But just to let you know that hey, we're kicking butt, taking names. Everything is growing. And if you didn't already know, I am a published author. My wife is a published author. These books you can find on Amazon if you would choose to read them. If you would choose to read them. So let me get out the way of her book. There we go. Uncovering the Real You. And it's on Amazon. And then my book also, Man of the Revolution, Terrence D. Gibson Sr. is on Amazon. All right, let's keep on rolling. Let me go ahead and share my screen. All right, we're here on the back office of, and then you can see also that the chat is up and running. I'm number 8 in the queue and just waiting on IPC so we can talk about some things. I mean, nothing serious, just, I just was doing some calculations in my last payment and it looked like I got paid a lot more than I was supposed to, which is not bad, but since I'm a believer, I don't want nothing that's not mine. Just wanted to make sure I really back here when you look at it, it's kind of it's a lot of money getting moved. So maybe it was correct because I get 30% of whatever the bot does here, and then I get 20% of whatever the bot does here. So if it does 30% on this level, I get 20% of the 30%. If it does 30% on this level, I get 20%. I get 30% of the 30%. So the numbers, I mean, as the team keeps growing, these numbers are going to get high. This income right here is going to be astronomical. But I need to start adding some more money to here, like I knew we know, because I'm only on 3 tiers. I have the dough. It's just so fun moving. And I may just move the money from here. I may just move money from another thing. I was going to come on here and move money from one place to another place using my change now. But I'm just going to probably wait and then see how I want to do things because the way this is growing, I probably could just take my check, or my blue wallet from Friday when they go ahead and compound because it's been kicking butt and taking names all week long. So we are at 1.51 today, 4.53% for the week. For the week, today is Wednesday. Traded 3 times. We already at 4.53%. Kicking butt, taking names. I don't know what to tell you, people. I don't know what to tell you. But then also that would be another income. So it's not like I wouldn't be losing money. I just been moving money and having money to be able to get into some of these other things that are coming out. Because man, this is the time. Put it this way: if you are not in something where your money's working for you, you're going to work till you broke. That's all I can tell you. You're going to work till you're broke. And this joint is growing like crazy. Like, remember when I first joined, I'm not even going to go back to the video to try to find out how many people was in it. We're going to just kind of figure it out together. When I first joined, let me see what number I'm in. I'm number 7. Okay. When I first joined, it was only like 12,000 people here and like $12 million. Look at this. This is 102 million. Look how much this has grown. It was like $12 million in here. I want to say it was less than 10,000 people. It might have been 12,000 people here and like $12 million in here. It was crazy. It was crazy. But look at this now. We're in 102 million. They still got 73,000 over there. They still got 221,000 over there. That's in these 2 bots. And then you still got to add these people to get to where this is. So 60,000 people probably, give or take, came in since I've been in. Kicking butt, taking names, here to stay. Ain't nobody miss a payment. Money comes, it goes. As soon as they approve it on the site, it's in your Kraken wallet in 20 seconds. You got to have a USDT TRC20 wallet. Of course, we go over this over and over and over. But it's kicking butt and taking names. I have no gripes. This thing is just awesome, man. It's awesome. You got to get in, people. My people joining. I got one new person. I think that's probably where where this money came from. So I'm still now, but with the rank I'm at now, I'm only getting 7% of both the bot and the person coming in. So I'm not dying over here. You know what I'm saying? And then, like I said, when this does what it's going to do on Friday, it's 107,000 this time. My last check was $1,700 last week just from this. So what is going to be now? This is way more money than I had last week. Because this was like in the 19s, might be hitting 20. This wasn't even over 100,000. So that's more money, more money, more money. And it's growing like crazy, and more leaders are getting in. You sit in the Telegram group and watch all the people just come into the Rebels team. It's crazy. So that means there's other teams. And Nigeria is kicking butt. They added the leaderboard, which we went over before. And look how much money is in the leaderboard. So we got to get to this leaderboard. That's the only thing making me want to get. I mean, I know I still got another $200,000 to grow in my regular wallet. I mean, my bottom wallet to get there. But $465,000 is being split up between the leaders and the leaderboard. This is crazy, people. Crazy, 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 crazy. And the lists are getting longer and longer. Nigeria is kicking butt, taking names. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to give you an update of where we at today. I guess we'll call this day. Let me look on. I gotta look on my calculator. My calendar, and tell you exactly. So this was 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks. 28, 29, 30 days. We'll do it like that. Yeah. 4 weeks. Yeah. 28, 29, 30 days. So this will be day 30, IPC. We have tomorrow is our 1 month day. 1 month. So in 30 days, we done built this. You can do this. 30 days, not even 30 days yet, and got an empire. You might as well want to call this an empire. Because you got to think about it. I come on here and I make these videos. If I made $1,700 in a week, you know where you have to be. Like, even when I was in the sheriff's office, even as a major, $1,700 a week. Well, yeah, I guess. But what I'm saying is you have to be the top of the food chain to make some type of money like that. But it's jokers out there that need to be up in here. I'm not saying we don't need law enforcement. I don't say we need this. But I've been down that road. It's not the best road, and they don't pay you the best money. You got to pay somebody probably like $10,000 an hour to get shot at and getting their tail whooped while they sitting there and trying to put somebody in the cell that don't want to go in the cell. And then the mental health is so crazy now, you don't know what you're walking into. So law enforcement, army, all military, these guys need a serious pay raise for the stuff that they go through on a daily basis to keep us safe. Firemen, any type of LE, any type of military, they need to get their money up. They need to at least be making what doctors are making. At least get them to there. Because I mean, shoot, you talk about somebody that gives you a surgery, but what about the joker to keep you from getting taken over? You think Kim don't want to be the president of the United States from Korea? Who's over there making sure that we're still free over here? So it's just, man, bring everybody you can here, man. Definitely the people. All my children. Matter of fact, my baby is the only one that's kind of trying to figure out, but I think she wants to do Navy. My oldest daughter is the Air Force. My middle baby is Marines. All the boys the Army. So we don't do nothing but serve. So of course I got a heart for the people that serve. But hey, I didn't want to come on here and go through all that, but just letting you know, man, this is a real deal. If you're going to watch my videos, you're going to get it all. This is the real deal. If you're not on my team, you need to join my team. Take a picture of this right now with your camera. Fill out that form. Matter of fact, just make sure you do this on Chrome. Use Chrome. If you don't use Chrome, use Microsoft Edge. If you don't use Chrome, use Microsoft Edge. When you get down to the bottom of the form, after you finish filling it out, it's going to send something in your email. It's going to send in your code. When you click on the send code, it's going to send your code. And I have a video on my YouTube page that tells you how to do everything. But I'm getting around the time where I need to do my next video because I try to keep that one on a 24-hour. But hey, people, love you. Like, subscribe, rock that bell, join our team. We'll get you into the Telegram group, and then we're going to keep on growing. Growing and growing and growing. God bless.